When an artist begins to paint, they use an empty canvas like the one you see here. And canvases comes in all different sizes and shapes. Sometimes that empty canvas can be a billboard or a whiteboard, even an empty dinner plate. That's right, how you serve a plate of food is a work of art. And that's what we're going to learn here, how to create that canvas or open space where you can do your work. So let's go back to the starter page. Click on the Create New button. So with every project in Photoshop, we have to start by creating that space to work on. Whether we're creating a business card, brochure, ad banner, or meme, we need to determine the physical attributes such as the height, width, and resolution of the work we're about to create. And that's the purpose behind this New Documents page, to create that space for our work. These icons that you see here represents different presets of canvases that were created entering the values into this form you see here at the right side called the Preset Details section. And as you can see, the icons look pretty much the same. The difference is the information beneath the icons. Now you may have different numbers on your screen, but they all list the width, the height, and the resolution. The first icon you see here, the width and the height are both 2000 pixels. The resolution is 72 ppi or pixels per inch, and I'll go over the meaning behind all these numbers shortly. So why use icons? For many years, graphic artists like myself, if we needed to create a canvas for a specific project, we would have to enter the values on the Preset Details section each and every time we started that new project. Well, that's not the case anymore. We enter the value of the canvas at the Preset Details section, and the information would be stored within these icons for later use. So now all I have to do is click on an icon and I get that canvas again. Go ahead and try that for yourself. Click on the first icon if there are any available on your screen. Otherwise, just simply watch. And when I finally open this canvas, I'll click on the menu under Image, Image Size, and a dialog box will appear showing me the dimensions of this canvas. And these dimensions match the information under the icon that we clicked. Let's go and close out on the document by clicking on the X on the upper left.